permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of sodium bicarbonate, calcium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is option C, sodium carbonate. Which color is the rarest in nature? Blue, red, green, purple. The correct answer is option A, blue. Which acid is used in car batteries? Nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid. The correct answer is option C, sulfuric acid. Which gas is commonly used to fill balloons? Oxygen, helium, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option B, helium. Which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? Mercury, Jupiter, Earth, Venus. The correct answer is option B, Jupiter. Which animal can sleep for 3 years at a time? Frog, snake, snail, bear. The correct answer is option C, snail. What is the main ingredient in cement? Sand, lime, clay, gypsum. The correct answer is option B, lime. Which human organ can regenerate itself after part of it is removed? Heart, liver, lungs, brain. The correct answer is option B, liver. What is the most stable isotope in nature? Carbon 12, uranium 235, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. The correct answer is option A, carbon 12. What is the process by which a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? Transmutation, metamorphosis, evolution, regeneration. The correct answer is option B, metamorphosis. Brass gets discolored in air due to the presence of which gas? Carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen, nitrogen dioxide. The correct answer is option B, hydrogen sulfide. Which of these instruments is used for testing the purity of milk? Thermometer, lactometer, barometer, hydrometer. The correct answer is option B, lactometer. Which metal is a major pollutant of air in big cities? Copper, lead, iron, zinc. The correct answer is option B, lead. Which type of bond is formed when two atoms share electrons? Ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, metallic bond. The correct answer is option B, covalent bond. Which of the following can be removed by boiling water? Magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. The correct answer is option D, calcium bicarbonate. Which of the following is the heaviest naturally occurring element? Uranium, gold, lead, mercury. The correct answer is option A, uranium. Which animal is capable of regenerating its heart tissue? Frog, zebrafish, dog, elephant. The correct answer is option B, zebrafish. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. The correct answer is option A, Venus. Which of the following is the most commonly used material for making coins? Iron, copper, silver, aluminium. The correct answer is option B, copper. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Which animal can survive the longest without water? Camel, giraffe, elephant, kangaroo rat. The correct answer is option D, kangaroo rat. What is the pH value of fever water? 0, 7, 14, 1. The correct answer is option B, 7. Which substance is mainly used in hand sanitizers? Ethanol, sodium chloride, glycerol, acetone. The correct answer is option A, ethanol. Which gas turns lime water milky? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Which element is used in making thermometers? Mercury, iron, zinc, lead. The correct answer is option A, mercury. What is the main gas found in the sun? Helium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. The correct answer is option B, hydrogen. What is the scientific name of the human species? Homo sapiens, Homo erectus, Homo habilis, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Homo sapiens. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 5 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option B, 100 degrees Celsius. Coronavirus mainly affects which part of the body? Brain, lungs, liver, kidneys. The correct answer is option B, lungs. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury, iron, aluminium, lead. The correct answer is option. The acid that is secreted in the stomach is HCl, H2SO4, SO3, HNO3. The correct answer is option A. The acid that is secreted in the stomach is HCl. Pregnant women usually become deficient in sodium and calcium, iron and sodium, calcium and iron, magnesium and iron. The correct answer is option C. Pregnant women usually become deficient in calcium and iron. Which of the following is the smallest cell in the human body? Nerve cell, WBCs, epithelial cells, RBCs. The correct answer is option D. RBCs is the smallest cell in the human body. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow, liver, heart, pelvis. The correct answer is option A. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin D, vitamin K. The correct answer is option D. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium sulfate, calcium nitrate. The correct answer is option B. Calcium phosphate is the main component of bones and teeth. Which structure connects bones to other bones in the human body? Cartilage, ligament, tendon, nerve. The correct answer is option B. Ligament structure connects bone to other bone in the human body. Which type of tissue connects muscle to bone in the human body? Cartilage, ligament, tendon, adipose tissue. The correct answer is option C. Tendon connects muscle to bone in the human body. The hard part of a stem of a plant is because of stomata, xylem, phloem, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The hard part of a stem of a plant is because of xylem. Which of the following glands secrete tears? Lacrimal, pituitary, thyroid, pancreas. The correct answer is option A. Lacrimal glands secrete tears. Which organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell? Lysosome, Golgi apparatus, peroxisome, nucleus. The correct answer is option C. Peroxisome organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives energy which is about 3 kilocalorie, 2 kilocalorie, 4.2 kilocalorie, 8.1 kilocalorie. The correct answer is option C. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives energy which is about 4.2 kilocalorie. Yeast is an important source of vitamin C, protein, vitamin B, carbohydrate. The correct answer is option C. Yeast is an important source of vitamin B. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is option D. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin. Animal without red blood cells is frog, earthworm, snake, peacock. The correct answer is option B. Animal without red blood cell is earthworm. Proteins are made from amino acid by the process of hydrolysis, phagocytosis, dehydration synthesis, active transport. The correct answer is option C. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of dehydration synthesis. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pancreas, thyroid, pituitary, spleen. The correct answer is option C. Pituitary gland in the human body is called the master gland. What is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? Transpiration, perspiration, evaporation, condensation. The correct answer is option A. Transpiration is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves. The surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of Golgi body, organelles, cell membrane, ribosome. The correct answer is option D. The surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of ribosome. What is the process by which a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly? Fertilization, metamorphosis, photosynthesis, respiration. The correct answer is option B. Metamorphosis is the process by which a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option C. Ribosome organelle is responsible for protein synthesis. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for absorbing most nutrients from food? Stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. The correct answer is option C. Small intestine part of the digestive system is responsible for absorbing most nutrients from food. Enzymes are produced by endocrine glands, exocrine glands, liver, spleen. The correct answer is option B. Enzymes are produced by exocrine glands. What is the process by which cells break down glucose to release energy without using oxygen? Fermentation, respiration, photosynthesis, oxidation. The correct answer is option A. Fermentation is the process by which cells break down glucose to release energy without using oxygen. Most cell membranes are composed principally of DNA and protein, protein and lipids, protein and chitin, protein and RNA. The correct answer is option B. Most cell membranes are composed principally of proteins and lipids. Male reproductive part of flower is stigma, stamen, carpel, none. The correct answer is option B. Male reproductive part of flower is stamen. Microscopic study of tissues is called histology, botany, cytology, anatomy. The correct answer is option A. Microscopic study of tissues is called histology. Fluid mosaic model explains the structure of nucleus, plants, cell membrane, DNA. The correct answer is option C. Fluid mosaic model explains the structure of cell membrane. Which of the following cell organelle is present only in a plant cell? Spindle, cell wall, cell membrane, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Cell wall organelle is present only in a plant cell. Which of the following is not present in a prokaryotic cell? Ribosomes, cell membrane, nucleus, DNA. The correct answer is option C. Nucleus is not present in a prokaryotic cell.